Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably staring at your Amazon Firestick remote flashing yellow 3 times and wondering what's going on. Don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. This is a common issue that many users face, especially with older remotes or after a software update. Let's dive in. First off, what does that yellow flash mean? Typically, when your Firestick remote flashes yellow 3 times, it's signaling a pairing problem. This could be due to low battery life, interference from other devices like Wi-Fi routers, or even a glitch in the Firestick itself. In 2025, with the latest Firestick models, this might also relate to firmware updates, so staying current is key. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. The most common one is dead or dying batteries, simple as that. Other culprits include the remote being out of range, nearby electronic interference, or even a need to reset the device. If you've recently moved your Firestick or changed batteries, that could trigger this too. Alright, time for the fixes. Start with the basics. Open up your remote and replace the batteries with fresh ones. Make sure they're the right type, usually AAAs. If that doesn't work, try repairing the remote. To do this, go to your Firestick home screen, navigate to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, and select Add Bluetooth Device. Press and hold the home button on your remote for about 10 seconds until it starts flashing, then follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect. If it's still flashing, reset your Firestick. Unplug the device from power for a minute, plug it back in, and let it reboot. This often clears temporary glitches. As a last resort, you might need to factory reset the remote by pressing the left button, menu button, and back button simultaneously for 10 seconds. But be careful, as this will erase any custom settings. There you have it. By following these steps, you should get your remote working smoothly again. If you're still having issues, check for any official Amazon updates or reach out to their support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.